I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an eSIM on your Huawei device with Telstra can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Huawei device supports the eSIM functionality. You can usually find this information in the device specifications or use a manual. Step 2. Get your eSIM QR code. Before activation, use the eShark.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Access mobile network settings. On your Huawei device, go to Settings, then select Mobile Network. Here, you will find options to add a new mobile plan. Step 4. Add eSIM plan. Tap on Add Mobile Plan and choose the option to scan the QR code. Point your camera at the QR code you received from Telstra. If you have trouble scanning, make sure the camera is clean and well lit. Step 5. Activate your eSIM. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to activate your eSIM. You may need to restart your device to complete the activation process. That's it. You should now be all set up with your eSIM on your Huawei device. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telstra for assistance. Happy connecting!